himself.
Hi, I'm Elliot Cadeau, 2024 point guard, and I play with New York Lightning.
So, is there a certain thing you like to do before a game?
Not really. I usually just listen to music, stretch out, and yeah, that's it.
Who's your favorite artist?
I'd say my favorite rapper is probably G Herbo.
Top 3 songs from that artist.
Who Run It, Sessions, and I Want It.
Can you tell me your favorite verse from one of your favorite songs from that artist?
I don't really have any verses memorized right now.
Congratulations, you won the championship. How do you feel?
I feel good. It took a lot of hard work, and me and my team, we played 15 games. We went 15-0, and it was worth it.
Is there anybody you want to shout out for getting you to this point?
I would like to shout out Coach Qua, Coach Travis, and Coach Brian.
All right, so we ask all our MVPs to do a Fortnite dance or a celebration dance. Will you know one for us?
I don't know any Fortnite dances.
Do you know how to mop? Mop?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Mop. Thanks for the interview.